Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best rust-proof dish drying racks in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Rust-Proof Aluminum Dish Rack. If you worry about rust but want to have that metal shine in your kitchen, you may want to consider aluminum racks. Aluminum never rusts, so these racks are completely rust-proof. And no other company can make stylish aluminum racks as OXO does. OXO's goal is pretty simple: to make every day better. They're constantly improving in terms of functionality, utility, and design. All of their products have a touch of elegance, which enhances the overall user experience. The OXO Good Grips Rust-Proof Aluminum Dish Rack is no different. It has everything you'd expect in a modern kitchen appliance. It's a great option if you want a rack that's rust-proof and long-lasting as well as modern and stylish. The pros: rust-proof aluminum frame, stylish and unconventional design, unique plate holders, adjustable drainer spout. And the cons: relatively smaller than other racks. The plate holder slots aren't removable. Number 2. Premium Racks Professional Dish Rack. If functionality and convenience of use are among your top priorities, then the Premium Professional Dish Rack might be the best pick for you. This multifunctional rack is made of high-quality stainless steel. It has an extremely customizable and flexible design that allows users to store different sets of utensils. Instead of jamming the kitchen counter, the rack's intelligently designed to use vertical space. This way, it can store more kitchenwares while taking up less area on the countertop. The steel used is strong and corrosion-free and provides very good support and stability even when the rack is carrying full weight. The pros: modular construction, strong base for stability, fully customizable, large storage space. And the cons: no additional cup clips. Assembling and customizing may be a bit difficult. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Convertible Foldaway Dish Rack. Here's another modern and sturdy countertop rack from OXO. You can never complain about their design. Each rack they make is different in terms of both style and functionality. This convertible rack is made with plastic and rust-proof stainless steel. Its versatile design makes it a good fit for any modern kitchen. You can fold the plate holder rack to make room for bowls and other utensils. Each of the sides is equipped with a utensil holder and several glass holders, which can hold a lot of glassware and cutlery. Besides, the sidewalls, legs, and spout can be folded for compact storage. The pros: very unique design, high-end build quality, convertible for hassle-free storage, keeps the counter fully dry. And the cons: the drain spout doesn't work properly at times and drips on the counter. Number 4. Joseph Stainless Steel Extendable Dish Rack. This classy-looking rack is from Joseph, a company renowned for its simple yet functional designs. The rack is made of rust-proof stainless steel and plastic. Its half-split body can be extended to make room when necessary, or you can keep it contracted if you aren't using it and have limited cabinet space. One portion of the split body is generously equipped with holder racks where you can put all your dishes, cups, and mugs. The other half, when expanded, makes space for your pans and pots. The draining spout has 3 different positions so that it can be moved to the sides depending on your counter setup. All the metallic parts have been made to be non-scratching, so it won't damage the counter or delicate dishware. The pros: simple yet stylish, easy to store and use, raised ribs to ensure water doesn't drip outside, multiple drain positions. And the cons: spikes don't hold larger cups well, doesn't have color options. Number 5. Next, over the sink stainless steel dish rack. Last but not the least, is the 2-tier dish rack from NEX. We sought to include at least one rust-proof rack from each distinct category of dish racks. And this one is our choice if you're looking for an over-the-sink rack. One of the best over-the-sink dish racks out there. It has a very simple and effective design that will complement any type of kitchen. Made out of 304 stainless steel, this massive unit has a large number of slots, racks, etc., to store all your dishes without hassle. Its sturdy and stable design can hold as much as 40 pounds of weight. And its adjustable length allows it to fit perfectly even on larger sinks. Although similar to the HEOMU 2-tier dish rack, this one is more durable and comes with a 1-year warranty from NEX. The pros: comes with high-quality material, adjustable length, easily assemblable, very stable. And the cons: a few customers reported that it bent, broke in the middle. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.